I'm Roamy from South East Slings. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Boba Air carrier to carry a child on your front. Now, the Boba Air carrier is really popular because it folds up super small. It's absolutely tiny. It rolls up into its own pocket, a little bit sort of like a pack-a-mac. They work nicely from around probably 6 months or so. They don't have an insert or anything, so they're not really designed to be used for tiny babies. So they're once children are a little bit older. So it's a very similar design to the Boba 4G, but just a lot less structured. So you've got your waistband here with the writing on, which you're going to clip around either your hips or your waist. So clip it together and then tighten those up like that. Now your shoulder straps, these are going to go straight over your shoulders. The clip that goes behind your back is on little runners, so make sure that it's in the right sort of place so you can reach it behind your neck when you come to use it. You take your child and hold them on your front. Now this child, or rather this doll, is a sort of developmental stage where their legs are going to wrap around you. So it's meant to be around sort of 9 months age. So the legs are wrapping around with bottom lower than the knees. So hold them in this position with the head on your upper chest. Slide your hand under the base of the carrier and just stroke it up over their bottom and back. So you're then holding them with the fabric. One strap goes over one shoulder and the other strap goes over the other shoulder. You're then going to reach around behind and find that clip and clip it together. And you're going to want to pull this together to tighten it up so these straps lie flat on your shoulders. So tighten it up as much as you need to for the straps to lie flat on your shoulders like that. Once you've done that, just gently take your baby's weight and then pull this tightener forwards to tighten the carrier up. I'm just going to bring the baby's arms out the side like this. Now they can either come out the side or they can go over the top, whatever your child prefers. So tighten these up, pulling that straight forwards until they're held nice and secure. Now, most important thing is obviously that you can see their face and they've got clear airways. You want to check they're held nice and snug as well. So to check that, rest your hand on the back of their head and lean forward. Now their body shouldn't pull away. If it does, tighten it up. Another good way to check is if you were going to carry them in your arms, just put your arms around them now. If you feel you're needing to lift them in order to support them, it's likely to be that it's a little bit loose. So if you're finding you're having to do this in order to hold them securely, just tighten it up again. Position wise, check they're sitting evenly so you've got the same amount of leg either side. So for an age of child to fit this carrier, you want to ensure that their lower leg can swing freely, so that from their knee this can basically go straight down and swing, so the fabric's not coming any wider than their knee pits. Obviously it's very soft material, so it can scrunch down a little bit for a smaller baby and go wider for an older one. So that's essentially it. You've got a sleep hood here, which if you're going to use it, you put over the back of baby's head, but always leave the front uncovered. Arms can come out the sides, or if baby wants to wriggle an arm over the top, they can do. If they're going to have arms out, you want to make sure the carrier goes no lower than their armpit. So even if they were to tip backwards, they're not going to come out. And that is essentially the Boba Air carrier. So to take baby out, you're going to reach behind, find the clip and unclip it like this. Then you're going to bring one strap off one shoulder, where you're holding your child, other strap off the other shoulder, hold your child inside the carrier and you can lift them out. And what's nice with the Boba Air is because the straps are done up, there's nothing hanging on the floor, so if you want to take them out and leave it on while they go and play in the park or while you're sitting in a cafe, you haven't got anything trailing on the ground because these are all done up. And that's how to use the Boba Air carrier on the front.